Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to do a barrel roll or do a barrel roll, which is one of the Google Easter eggs or Google tricks available on Google. Now, let me show you how you can achieve this, what I have at the background, or more specifically, how you can do this kind of barrel roll on Google. So this is one of the trending tricks right now on Google. Now, if you want to do a simple one, you just need to type in do a barrel roll in your Google Chrome browser. Now, if you're doing it on a different browser, you might not be able to get the same result. As you've just seen, we've done a simple barrel roll. Now, if you want to do it multiple times, let's say like 10 times, you need to type in 10 and then enter, and then it will take you to this page over here. Just open up the first link, and then now you'll see that it will do the barrel roll 10 times, and then I'll get back to normal. Now, in order to if you want to do it different times, then you have some options here: 20 times, 5.6, twice, 10, 100 times, 1000 times. You could click on one of these, let's say this one, twice, and it will do it 2 times and then get back to normal. But if you want to do a specific number, then what you could do is, as we have the link on the top, and then you can see we've just done it twice, and it gave us you have the number 2 here after the question mark. Now let's say you want to do it like 55 times. Just enter 55, press enter, and then now you'll see that I will do it quickly for 55 times and then get back to the normal way it was. Now, if you want to achieve something like this over here, then you have to enter a number which is like this, like 5.6 or something. When you click on that, or you enter 5.6 on the top, then it will give you a screen like this. So you could make it stay or stick on different positions on the screen. So this is the whole idea behind do a barrel roll thing. If you're doing it on a different browser other than Google Chrome, like Edge or some others, then you have to have Google Chrome set up as your main search engine, or Google as your search engine. Then you'll be able to do it straight away in the search bar. Otherwise, you'll have to open up Google first over there, and then do the searches over there in order to get these results. So hope this was helpful and informational. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments how this was helpful. I've already made a video on a similar trick, which is Google Askew or Google Tilt. So if you want to check that out, links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.